going to show you some fun ways that you can work with your child this summer. For children, they need to know the sounds that are included in words in order so that they can read and write effectively. So we're going to show you some fun ways. You can do all these activities with words, with letters, and with sounds. But with Sophie, we're going to be using words. So this is our first activity. All right. I'm going to ask Sophie to write a word for us. Can you write the word the? What word are you writing?
The.
Perfect. What word did you just write?
The.
Would you trace over it for me? Perfect. This can be a little messy at times, but it's a fun way to practice your words. If you were doing this with letters, all your child would have to do is write a letter. Can we try just a letter? Would you write the letter T? What sound does that letter make? Perfect. That was pretty easy for you, I know. Good job. Another fun thing that you can do is you can purchase glitter glue. You can get this at any craft store, and it's a fun way to practice writing words. So, would you write the word look? What word did you just write?
Look.
Perfect. We also have one that we already did. It's now dry. Would you trace that with your finger? Perfect. Again, it's a fun way to practice your words. You can also do this with letters and with sounds. Another fun activity is just using pipe cleaners. Again, all these things can be found at a craft store. Would you make the word is? So this one's an S, right? There you go. What word did you make?
Is.
Great job. So what's this first letter?
I.
What's this letter?
S.
What sound does this I make?
I.
How about this S? Terrific. When you put it together, it says?
Is.
Great job. One last fun activity you can do is we're using just a plastic screen that again can be found at a craft store. And we're putting just a piece of paper over it. And pick a color. All right, would you write the word C? What word did you just write?
C.
Great. Here, pick another color and trace over that word. Terrific. So what word is that?
C.
What does this S say? How about these two E's together?
E.
Awesome. What's that word again?
C.
Great job. These are just some fun activities. There are different ways you can practice your letters, your sounds, and words. It's really important for children to know these things so that they can read with little effort focused on how to figure out words and sounds.